If you want to make this photo like this using AI photo editor, by just one click using this app you can change the look of your photo. So let's get started. First of all, you need to install Remini app in your mobile. Like you can see here, I have already installed this app in my mobile. When you will open this app, this interface will appear. So in the bottom corner you can see here AI filters option. Click on this option and upload your photo here. Just click on upload photo option, and from your gallery select photo which you want to change into another look. Like I will select this image here. Right now click on upload photo. Then this may take a few seconds, so you don't need to quit the app. Now you can see here this image is changed into photo like GTA game. The effect name is Los Angeles. But what you need to do, you just move this effects forward and go to this option which is called corporate. Right, so click on corporate, then you will see this image will become better. And now you can see here, look at this image. This image is changed from this to this one. Right, I will save this image and I will show you something more here. So I will save this image first, and now among these all options you can see another option which is called dating. Right, so click on dating. Now you will see here the image will become more better. Now look at this guys, this image is better than the previous one. So this is how you can easily change your photos by just one click on Remini photo editor. Now to save this image, click on arrow down button from the top of screen. From here the image will be saved into your gallery. So this is how you can easily change your images by just one click using this AI photo editor. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.